With doors closed for renovations, Ralph Russo offers an insider's view of the future Wisconsin Union Theater. Russo, the theater's director, said although the theater itself will look very much the same, renovations and additions will provide customers with the desired experience. So, what exactly can theatergoers expect? First, Russo explained an improvement in accessibility. Before the reinvestment, people had to transition through several building levels to get to the theater.
It was just really problematic, and it also felt like it isolated the theater wing from the rest of the building.
Russo said a new entrance to the Union's west wing, connected to a one-level hallway, will eliminate this issue. The theater will also gain a versatile lounge on the north side. The space, named the Sunset Lounge, will serve two purposes. The theater will use the lounge as a lobby. Larger and equipped with a concession stand, Russo said this new theater lobby will serve the needs of today's theatergoers. The space will also serve as a student lounge. Glass walls and a transparent fireplace provide a 180-degree view of Lake Mendota. From the Sunset Lounge, people can access the Sunset Deck. Before renovations, it was closed during theater events to minimize disruption. With the addition of outdoor public staircases and a better acoustic envelope, anyone can use it at any time. Russo explained a visit upstairs to the Frederick March Play Circle Theater will show a dramatic change. Demolished and rebuilt, the theater is bigger and has retractable seating for versatility. The theater's also picked up a studio room. To the left of the new entrance, windows will give a glimpse into the practice room downstairs.
We want to make sure that the public knows that, while there might not be an event on the stage, there are always things going on.
Theater construction will end next fall. When its new doors open, students in the community can experience these renovations for themselves.